Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for mobile food vendor license in NYC. So first in your Google search bar, just type this in your search bar, mobile food vendor license NYC. And from the search results, you should be able to see a link like this, mobile food vending license. So just click this link and this link will redirect you to NYC business page. And from here, choose from the options. And of course, we're going to choose new application fees. So this will cost $50. Then to proceed, just click on how to apply. And from this page, you can see here steps and guidelines that you should look out for before you submit your application. Make sure that you read this all to make sure that you have all the required documents and that you are eligible. And once done, just proceed with the application. And if you scroll down, you can see here steps to apply in person. So first, you're going to need to complete an application for mobile food vending license and required additional forms. And all you have to do is click on this link. So that link is a PDF form of the application, and all you have to do is fill out this application form. Make sure that you enter the details correct and accurate. And the next step is submit the completed and signed application, your certificate of authority to collect sales tax, all additional required documentation, copies only, and payment to the DCWP Citywide Licensing Center. You will also be required to register and pay for a mobile food vending food protection course. At the same time, you apply for your license. So by clicking on the link, we are redirected here and you can see here a $53 fee. So that's the course that you're going to need to pay for and you must submit your application in person. And step three is you must make an appointment with the Department of Consumer and Worker Protection or DCWP to submit your license application. And to schedule an appointment, you can either email them at this email address at licensingappointments@dca.nyc.gov or call their hotline at 212-436-0441. A DCWP licensing center representative will then respond to your request within 2 business days. So, here are the things that you should keep in your mind when attending your appointment. And if you scroll further, you can see here the address and email address where you can reach out DCWP. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!